Welcome to My Natural Hair Delight, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how I make my DIY hairspray, okay? This particular hairspray is more like a spritz replacement. So it's not like a hydrating hairspray. This particular hairspray is more for those of you who have like braids or twists, box braids, any kind of style that you want to upkeep for a while. This recipe is for you, okay? This is a free recipe that I'm giving to you all. You can choose to mix it however you want to mix it, add your own ingredients, but this is what I'm using. So today I'm showing you all what I'm using. So I'm actually using my hair growth oil, which I have made. If you would like to check out the ingredients in the hair growth oil, you can go to my website at mynaturalhairdelight.com. I also added the aloe vera juice, and I just added the water infused with rosemary and cloves. Next, I'm adding my peppermint essential oil, and you want to add, I would say, anywhere between 10 to 20 drops depending on how much of a batch you're using. I have used only 5 drops, I believe, but you can actually use a little bit more for essential oils. Just make sure that it's not too strong. So I would say anywhere between 10 to 20 drops of essential oil. Next, I'm adding my guar gum, and this is actually made out of guar beans, okay? So it is all natural. There's no extra added ingredients in the guar gum. It is simply just made out of guar beans, okay? Now, the reason why I'm adding the guar gum is because I want to be able to stabilize the oils and the liquids, okay? Because as you know, the oils does not mix with liquid. It does not mix with water or anything like that. So I wanted to add the guar gum to kind of blend those two ingredients together. Now, this is the aspen bark extract, in which I have not used in the hairspray because I'm simply going to be using it every day. So I don't really need the aspen bark. But if you want to use an extra ingredient for your preservative, then aspen bark extract is a natural preservative that you can use with your hairspray, okay? And so next I'm going to blend this hairspray, okay? I'm going to blend it all together. And as you can see, my daughter, she wanted to help. So I just allowed her to have fun with me in the kitchen and just make the hairspray together. Okay, and so now I am going to blend all of my ingredients together. And you also want to make sure that if you're infusing the rosemary and cloves, that it cools down before you add it with the rest of your ingredients. Okay, you never want to add anything hot to your ingredients, okay? Especially if you're adding your preservative. You want to also make sure that if you're adding a preservative, that the water and all of your liquids cool down before you add any preservative. So that's another tip. All right, so now I'm about to pour it in my spray bottle. And the best way to pour anything into your bottles is to use a funnel cup. So that's what I'm using here. I'm using my white funnel cup, and I'm simply pouring my hairspray into the hairspray bottle. And I had extra in my blender, so I just I don't even remember what I did with it, to be honest. So this is my hairspray, y'all, and I am super excited to spray it on my hair. Yes, it has all of the goodness in it. It has hair growth ingredients. It has guar gum, which is able to stabilize the oils and the liquids, and it also helps your hair to grow as well. So this is another natural ingredient that I like to use. And yeah, so this is my spray bottle, and now I'm going to show you the next process. So this is what I have done. This is natural hairstyle number 20. If you check out the full video, I have made natural hairstyle number 20 on Christmas Day. Okay, that was last year. And so this is just a snippet of what I have shown you all in the playlist. If you check out the 24 natural hairstyle series, you can go to natural hairstyle number 20 to watch this entire video. So yes, this is how I sprayed my hair with my all natural hairspray. And as you can see, I had a braided updo, so I was able to keep this hairstyle for a longer period of time by simply just keeping it moisturized. The best way to moisturize this type of hairstyle is to spray it, okay? But you want to spray it with the right ingredients. So that's why I have made my DIY hairspray. And I just wanted to share it with you all because I believe it will be beneficial for you all as well. Just to keep your hair moisturized and keep it nice and healthy and shiny. And yes, and the most important thing is to wrap your hair up with a silk or satin wrap each night, okay? That's what keeps your hair looking healthy and fresh as well, okay? So thank you all for watching. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delight. We premiere every Wednesday at 3. See you all again soon. Bye-bye.